Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning. I am Reynalyn Macalwa, 32 years old, single. I have no kids.
What is your education?
I am first year college undergraduate, taking up business administration, major in management.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I only have one brother and one sister. I am second of the family.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience as a housemaid before.
I am a housemaid before. I am taking out the children, doing household chores, cleaning the house, and cooking.
Okay, how old is the children of your employer?
3 to 5 years old.
Okay, how many years did you work there?
I worked there for 5 years.
Only one employer, right?
Yes.
Okay, so do you know how to taking care of newborn baby?
Yes, I know how.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will change the diaper and I will check the temperature, feed milk, and sing a lullaby.
Okay, so do you have a long patient for the children who is naughty?
Yes, I have.
Do you know how to taking care also if the children is got sick?
Yes, I know.
How about if you have homesick, how can you avoid it?
I will avoid it by just focusing my work and doing household chores.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong to work and to support my family financially.
Okay, do you know how to sing a song for the baby?
Yes, I know.
Okay, can you sing now?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you. Are you scared dogs and cats?
No.
Okay, do you love cooking?
Yes.
Can you rate yourself in cooking? It is good or excellent?
Good.
Okay, they're scared dogs and cats?
No.
Okay, so do you have tattoo on your body?
No.
Can you assist ticket elder person and assist them all their needs?
Yes.
If there is a car of your employer house, are you willing to clean without extra pay?
Yes.
Okay, if ever the children in the house is got sick, what will you do?
I will take care of them.
Okay, so if the children, do you know how to teach them counting numbers?
Yes, I know.
Okay, so what food can you cook?
Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn Chinese food.
Okay, so lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi, please hire me because I am trustworthy and hardworking. I want to help my family here, and I want to finish my contract in working in your country.
Okay, see you in Hong Kong. Thank you.